Hello and welcome to an end-to-end telecommunication video tutorial. My name is Jaroslav Pipek and today I'm going to introduce you our new solution for lift systems, Lift8. In this video tutorial I will show you what software can be used, remote or local configuration of one central unit, the server solution not only for 2N Lift8, and everything will be showed in a live demos. Here you can see software available for 2N Lift8 system. The first one is intended for point-to-point connection with device, where you can easily configure whole system, check actual state and see if all units are correctly connected. The connection to the central unit can be done remotely over IP or through USB port. So let's see how service tools looks like. Let's log into the system. As I am connected over IP, I will connect there with IP address. As first, you can see all parameters for the system. For example, alarm calls number, checking calls number, or response type for alarm checking call. As we support DTMF protocols for P100 and CPC for easy integration to the existing call center. All parameters are of course clearly described in the manual, and a simple description for each parameter is showed when you go by mouse over. Great benefit of Lift8 system is that you can log all system events for future use of debugging. In case of troubleshooting, you can see everything and simply detect the problem. On the next page you can insert your own messages for the 2N Lift8 system. Those messages can be used, for example, for announcement during alarm calls. You can upload existing files or you can record new message directly from your PC. On the last menu, Device, you can find all attributes of the system, such as information about firmware, what voice menu are you using in the system, etc. You can check the units connected on the bus, so you can easily find which is connected incorrectly or damaged. If you are using GSM or UMTS modules, then it's possible to log inserted SIM card to some operator. Menu license is intended for unlocking an operator if needed, so there is no need to switch modules inside. Menu of EO modules will be described deeply in another video tutorial, where will be shown all we can do by it. You will see how easy it is to use EO module for 2N Lift8 system. And last menu is for voice menu and for firmware upgrade. So we have passed through whole Lift8 service tool. This software is free to download, so just install it and you can start with testing. Now the rest of software is intended for server solution. It means that in services is running 2N Lift8 server, to which 2N control panel and 2N communicator is connected. By this solution you can easily create a call center. Thanks to DTMF protocol, P100 and CPC can be integrated also many third-party devices for easy identification. In control panel you are creating new lifts, users, administer rights for users, controlling checking calls, etc. So let's see what you can do by 2N control panel first. After logging into the 2N control panel, you can see menu for configuration, calls and surveillance. So let's see the configuration menu first. Intercoms allows you to create a new intercom. In general, we can preset everything regarding the communicator, its name, identification, what type of intercom is this, an important note here. You can see that here is also unknown. It means that you can use third-party device for this software. Checking call period and alarm call types response. How often it should call and also address of the intercom. In the menu of users, you can see all users available for this communicator. In checking calls, you can easily check if the checking call was or wasn't done properly. The same about alarm calls overview. Map is using Google Maps and you can see where the communicator is installed. Everything from this intercom menu can be exported. To make the integration easier, there is simple import for your existing list of intercoms. Let's keep users for now and focus on roles first. Here we can create roles for users. There is always admin, all rights as default. Other roles are technician and dispatcher. Every user can have different roles and rights. After creating a new role, you can assign this role to the user. So now let's switch to users. Here you can easily create users, assign him correct role, fill all fields as name, phone, mail, etc. If I assign the role Communicator, you can see that there is a new menu called Communicator. This menu is for registering these users to the PBX based on SIP. So no special setting is needed or more cables, just use existing IP PBX or any SIP account available, and feel free to use Communicator as phone for alarm calls. Menu of groups is intended for global setting of intercoms. If you have a bulk of intercoms with the same parameters, then just assign it and it will be filled automatically. Call server is intended for automatic checking call responder. Again, it works on SIP, so just register one line and you can easily use 2N server for checking calls. Plans and storage is only for data storage on the server side. In the menu calls, you can check all calls done through 2N server, all ARM, checking and also outgoing calls from 2N Communicator. And last menu surveillance, here you can see all intercoms you have ever installed. By the filter you can see on which one an alarm call was executed, on which one checking call was executed and more. Map is interactive and it's using a clever solution for grouping of more lifts in the same area. The last software I'll present today is 2N Lift8 Communicator. We have created user operator in the 2N Lift8 control panel, so let's log in. After login, you can see all lifts and basic information. The Google Map helps you to find where is installed. You have easy overview about everything what is needed. You can directly call to the lift. In contacts are all users of the server showed, and in calls you can see all agents' calls. Menu setting is only for microphone and loudspeaker settings. Now I'll make an alarm call by pressing alarm button on the unit of Lift8. You can see down the incoming call from the Lift8 Prague. After accepting the call, confirmed by 1, you can see all the information including the map. So this is all from the software introduction. We have described service tools as point-to-point connection for remote or local configuration of central unit. Don't forget that you can also configure Lift8 by simple IVA voice menu. And we showed your server solution for small call centers. Don't miss our next video, where will be shown how to make your lift more secure by our camera module for Lift8 system. Protect your lift against vandalism and watch who is calling during alarm calls. Well, see you soon on next video for Lift8 solution. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial and see you next time.